Welcome to our digital sanctuary, where your privacy is our priority. Today, we're diving into the essential steps to secure your Instagram experience by making your account private. Let's embark on this journey to safeguard your personal space in the vast social media landscape. Launch the Instagram app. Begin by tapping on the Instagram icon on your device. As you're welcomed into the world of endless scrolling, remember, your privacy is just a few taps away. Navigate to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Your personal digital realm, filled with your moments and memories, awaits your command to secure its gates. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, often referred to as the hamburger icon, at the top right corner. A world of options unfolds. Select Settings to proceed to your privacy adventure. Dive into Privacy Settings. Within Settings, find and select Privacy. This is the sanctuary where you control who sees the treasures of your realm. Make your account private. Look for the Account Privacy option and tap on it. Here lies the golden switch. Toggle it to activate your account's privacy shield, transforming your public account into a private haven. Congratulations! You've successfully fortified your Instagram account. Your profile is now a private sanctuary, visible only to those you deem worthy. Cherish your newfound privacy, where your moments are shared on your terms. Thank you for joining us on this journey to secure your Instagram experience. Remember, privacy is power in the digital age. For more tips and tricks on navigating the digital world, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay safe and stay private.